everyone. So today I want to talk about a significant transformation that is reshaping our industry. So we are here to explore the details of our services, processes, aiming to understand how we can meet the diverse need of our clients across different segments. So our agenda covers traditional banking operations such as account opening, customer identification, account management, as well as more complex areas like investment services, online and mobile banking, and crucial aspect of fraud prevention and regulatory compliance. So in our pursuit of excellence, we categorize our users into distinct segments, recognizing that each segment requires a tailored approach. So from retail customers seeking personal financial management to SMEs navigating business banking needs to corporate clients requiring financial strategies and wealth desiring personalized investment advice. Each segment demands our focused attention and specialized services. So let me introduce AI across our service processes in an enhancement and a revolution. So AI propels us into the future, transforming each touch point. So let's discuss about account opening. So AI streamlined this foundation process using predictive analytics to personalize product offerings from the get to go, ensuring a seamless introduction to our services. Next is customer identification and verification. So we can leverage AI for biometric verification and digital KYC processes. So by this we can enhance security while ensuring a frictionless customer experience. So in account management, AI-driven platforms offer personalized account management solutions that can predict customer needs and promptly offering relevant services also. So in case of deposit and withdrawal, so we can automate and secure transactions through AI, which provides real-time fraud detection to safeguard our customers' assets. So in loans and credit services, we utilize AI for credit scoring and risk assessment to expedite loan approvals while maintaining accuracy and fairness. So in investment services, AI transforms investment advice using the algorithms to tailor portfolios to individual risk profiles and financial goals. In online and mobile banking, so we also leverage AI to offer 24/7 banking assistant, personalized finance advisor, and the transaction monitoring, which elevates the digital banking experience. So further in customer support and assistance, so AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant personalized support and require inquiry efficiently. Further in fraud prevention and security, we can implement AI for real-time transaction analysis, which significantly enhance our ability to detect and prevent fraudulent activities. So further in regulatory compliance, AI aids in navigating the complex regulatory compliance landscape, which can automate reporting and ensures adherence to global standards. So by embracing AI across our services processes, position us at the forefront of innovation that allow us to serve our diverse customer base more effectively and securely. So this transformation is not without challenges. So here is data privacy, integration cost, and maintaining the human touch. Digital interactions remain paramount. So yet the potential for AI to enhance customer experience, operational efficiency, and security is undeniable. So as we journey forward, let's remain committed to leverage AI responsibly, ensuring inclusivity and upholding the highest standard of service excellence. So we can redefine banking for the future, creating a more accessible, efficient, and secure financial ecosystem. So thanks for your attention, and let's continue to pioneer the exciting transformation together. Thank you very much.